Hey everybody, it's Dave from Train Day, and today we're going to create our entire SCORM-compliant training course with just a blog post, right? So here we are at trainday.io. I'm going to go ahead and log in here, and I'll show you where we get the extension, right? So if you just click on More, and right here, Extension, you just get our Chrome extension, right? You can click the button, add it to your Google Chrome, and you'll be ready to use it to create your courses. So for an example, here I am at this blog post, Home Health Aid Do's and Don'ts. We do a lot of stuff for healthcare, pharmaceuticals, data-driven type training. They want to take a data source and create a course from it. So it's going to be super simple. We're going to click right here at our extension. And I just want to say like a custom topic or theme, right? And I'm just going to say summarize this, right? Because I want to summarize this do's and don'ts for home health aides. And you can see this data that we get from the page. You can go over it. We'll trust that this is what we want, right? We'll say use this data. This gives us some examples. And this one looks pretty good right here. This is kind of like a healthcare theme. Click on that. And now the AI is going to create us our samples. So let's just wait a minute or so and we'll get our samples. All right, here are our samples come. And these look pretty good. We'll go ahead and choose this one with the nurse. You know, you can choose any one you want though and change the presenter, but we'll go ahead and use, we'll use this one, right? So it's going to go ahead and create our course, all the engaging content, the video scripts, and the interactive quiz at the end. It's all SCORM compliant. You don't have to do anything else except export it after you generate your slides, right? And we could do a little bit more personalization. Maybe we'll change some of the font. You can add some other elements to the presentation, but let's check it out. So here we are. We'll click on my courses. And here's our course right here. So let's click on it and see what we got. All right, so first thing that we're going to do is, of course, change this. Let's say home health aid do's and don'ts, right? We'll save that name and let's just customize this a bit. This actually looks pretty good. Maybe we'll just come just maybe a little bit like this. I want to catch this other person in here. This could work fine. Say if we do want to change the presenter, we could just do that. Let's raise this up a bit. And let's apply the style to all slides, right? So now all our slides should be pretty uniform. Let's just change it back to that presenter. Let's apply the style to all slides. There we go. That looks pretty good. All the fonts look good. All the text looks good. So once we're good with that, you could check out the video scripts for everybody else. If they look fine to you, we can go ahead and start to generate our slides. Click yes. And you know that just takes about 10 minutes. It'll all be done and you'll get your slide. You can just continue on making more slides until all the ones that are generated are done, and then you can export it as a SCORM package, sell it to small business, use it for your own business, do whatever you want to do with it, and also export PowerPoint files, right? Now, if you're using our own LMS, you can just go ahead and add your learners. That's super simple, and they could just take your course within Train Day, right? And then, of course, you know, you can translate the whole course. One click translates the entire course and the slides. Real super, super easy. Now we have the whole thing in Spanish, right? Super easy. And then, of course, you know how you can create quizzes based on the content, right? So let's say if we go to slide and create a quiz, and the quiz is right there. You know, we can generate questions. Let's even do it even a little bit better. Let's generate it on 2 slides. So I'm going to move this quiz right here. We're going to go ahead and click on it. I'm going to say generate questions. And I actually want to generate the questions based on these 2 slides together, right? Click next, and let's create 6 questions. So this is like a little bit of a knowledge check. So there's 3 slides in, and then they give us a quiz right here. Boom. And of course, we're going to translate the quiz into Spanish, multiple choice. So now we've got the quiz, questions, and answers all in Spanish, right? And this is all SCORM compliant. Once your slides are done, you can just export it as a SCORM package and do whatever else you want to do with it, right? So that's it for this little tutorial on how to create the courses with the blog post. Can't wait to see what you build with it, and I'll see you next time.